Yes, welcome aboard and a very good morning from KOLMARDEN Theme Park Stroke Zoo for today's theme park visit. Yeah, this has been on my bucket list for a long time now. Here we have a massive zoo, hence zoo and theme park, as well as 3 roller coasters, including obviously the Rocky Mountain construction roller coaster Wildfire. Now I will be able to take you on board with me. I've got my GoPro in my bag, I've got the chest mount, I've got the hand mount as well. So yeah, looking forward to bringing you a video from KOLMARDEN. Also, anybody who's got the ECC, European Coaster Club membership, you get free admission, guest services, go and get your ticket, you do that on the day, and away you go. Anyway, let's go. So in the park, pretty simple, just get your ticket, scan there, and then you come and you're literally into like a shop. So I'm walking up the hill. I see a coaster in front of me actually. I think that's the Vekoma. Got an animal there. There you see, well, I can just see the top of it. A map, this just shows how vast this place is. So you've got your different attractions there. Number 3, highlight of the day of course, Wildfire. Really stunning location. Been saying that quite a bit this year. All your different attractions. And then, if you understand Swedish, then that's what you've got over there. So, indeed, I found the first coaster. This one called the Candy Train. I'm just going to say everything in English. I'm not even going to try and pronounce anything in Swedish. Yeah, a little Zero family coaster. Looks good fun. So, I'm going to try out my new hand strap, take you on board up. Off we go. Candy Train. Here we go then, bucket list coaster Wildfire at KOLMARDEN. My second RMC. Second row as you can see. I'll try and get a front row for you in a bit. Right, here goes, enjoy. So no I am. So much better than Untamed. Oh my god, this thing is so good. It is of course Wildfire, the standout attraction here at KOLMARDEN. RMC roller coaster. Yeah, there's so much. That is really good with that ride. That stall is fantastic. You've got an overbank halfway through the ride. The inversions are very whippy. It uses the terrain for me. It's one of the best things about this coaster. It uses the terrain so well. It's a bit like Helix. Obviously, I know it's an hybrid and all that, but it's very similar to Helix in the way that it does use the terrain so well. The trains on there, for me, are really comfortable. Maybe a bit controversial. Is it a top 10 coaster? I'm trying to keep up with you. Top 10 coaster? Ah, you'll have to wait till Christmas for the lowdown. And the final coaster of the three, it is Dolphin Express. Yeah, little junior coaster. The Coma. Yeah, we're gonna have one of them on video if we can. Yeah, I've done quite a few of these. If I had £1 for everyone that I've done of these, then I'll be a millionaire. But yeah, typical junior coaster. Nicely themed trains. Right, pirate ship's going on, so we'll get a bit of that. Here we go then on board the Dolphin Express. Little junior roller coaster. Not too bad. Feel the greatness.
Keep your eyes open.
Well, as you can see, I'm just taking a little ride on the cable cars over this vast, well, forest really. Got the wonderful wildfire behind me. No, I really like this park. It's got a really nice vibe. Alright, there's only 3 roller coasters here. Oh my god, giraffes.
Nature by shrinking habitats. Taking care of such large and exercise
Little and large.
is part of their daily care. Is it possible for the pair David deer to be reintroduced? It also acts as protection against the strong sun up in the mountains. Has been memorable and educational. Feel free to join the safari again soon. For no rides.
Quick sum up then, as I'm leaving KOLMARDEN on what's been an alright day actually, really enjoyable day. Remember, if you've got the ECC membership, you do get 1 free admission here annually. I'll put in the prices if you're not part of the ECC. To get here, pretty simple. You can get a bus from KOLMARDEN station and then on to Stockholm by train. Red operations have been brilliant, not an issue at all with them today. They've let you pick your rows, they've let you film on the rides on both my hand mount and my wrist mount, chest mount. It's just been a really good day, to be honest with you. Anyway, stay tuned for the next video. I'll set you